everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's tutorial, I'll be making this crocheted top. So this took me a lots and lots of time to complete this whole project. So I hope you guys will like it and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So let's go start with the video.
So the entire top is made up of this little crochet pattern, and I am using this Hobby India crochet thread. This is very convenient for crocheting, and a 3mm crochet hook. Begin with forming a magic ring. Make a loop like this and insert your hook and grab the thread. Then go for chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, followed by a triple crochet. This will look something like this. Again, go for chain 2 and a triple crochet again. Continue this chain 2 triple crochet pattern for 6 times or until you have 8 chains on your magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. After that, close the magic ring by pulling the small thread nice and tight. Chain 2 again and join the two ends with a slip stitch on the third stitch. Then go for chain 9 and 5 half triple crochet on the next gap. Chain 5 and go for 5 half double crochet on the next gap. Fill up all the 8 gaps by repeating the same step. At last of this row, chain 2 and join the end in the third chain with a slip stitch. For the next row, go for chain 6 and slip stitch in the same gap. Next time, go for 8 chain and join in the next gap. Go for chain 6 3 times. On the 4th time, go for chain 8. This will be our corner. Repeat this step 2 more times and at the end, join it with a slip stitch. Here we come to the last row of the pattern. Start with 3 slip stitch and 7 triple crochet on the chain 8 space. Now we will make this little bump on the corner. To make this, just simply chain 4 and make a slip stitch on the very first chain. And continue with the 7 triple crochet again on the same space. We are done with our first corner. Then make a slip stitch on the next space, chain 5, slip stitch again, chain 5 and slip stitch for the last time. And repeat the same process starting with the corner pattern on all the sides. For the last chain, just make a slip stitch on the third chain. Secure your little pattern, hide all the extra thread that are coming out to make it look more attractive. To make a top, you will be needing lots and lots of pieces according to the size and shape of the top. I have almost made about 70 to 80 pieces of them, and this took me a lots of time, but at the same time this is very satisfying to finally making the top. To give them a shape, I'm using one of my old top as a reference. Place all the pieces one by one on top of the top. You can give any shape and size you want. Then, with the help of a small needle, sew the pieces together one by one like so. After the sewing, it will look like a huge piece of pattern all together. Now for the straps, as you can see I already made them and I also ran out of this green thread, so I'm using a different thread to show you how I made them. Go for a long chain. I'm giving 40 chains here. This will depend upon how long you want your strap to be.
Once you are done, just repeat the single crochet all around the chain. Once you are happy with the thickness, just sew it with the help of a needle on the both sides of the top, and that's it. Your brand new crocheted top is ready. Thank you for watching my video, guys. I hope you like it.